about 3 years back. Basically, I belong to an arena of education, but recently, not that recent, you can say about 1.5 years back, I plunged into altogether different line. At the moment, I'm an entrepreneur. So on and off, I used to have these kinds of conversations and then upload whatever I learn onto my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Now you tell me about you.
Yes, thank you so much for giving your wonderful introduction, because I have know about your name only, but I don't know. But I have go through long days ago, long months ago. That time I go through your videos, like some conversation is going on. That time I have see your face. So now I will introduce myself. My name is Preeti. I hail from Indore, but I am not born and brought up from Indore. I born and brought up it's MP, but nearby Gwalior. So it's a small town. And now I will talk about my academic part. So I have completed MBA. I was working before. Previously I was working as a financial advisor, but now I'm not working. So like I'm having 2 kids. So that is why I first priority, I think like I have to give the good care of my children. So that is why I quit everything. But yeah, I'm finding the ways to start earning and to starting something else. So that is why I start my learning journey. So that way I started my YouTube channel also. So that is pretty much about me, ma'am. Thank you so much.
And what grade your kids are in?
My elder one is 7-year-old, so he is in this year he will turn to first grade, and my younger one is 5-year-old, so he will be turn to 7 like KG2 is grade.
They are little ones.
Yeah,
Right
they are
now.
little ones. Yes.
Quite young.
Yeah.
Okay. So when did you start your journey of learning English?
Ma'am,
How old is this?
Yes, I started my journey more than almost 4 months. When I start my journey, that time I know the language, but I am not able to speak, and I am not able to speak. And second thing, like some words, like when we are talking with the clients in my office, that time I used to talk in Hindi. Sometimes we have to talk about only the product, but I am not talking about in a proper way how to express our thoughts. So that is I don't know. So that way, like I start from 4 months, I am learning this language, I would say.
That's true. Whatever field you are in, like especially in the cases of people like us who don't speak English, this is not our first language. Whatever arena we are in, whatever degrees we have to our credit, that hardly matters, because even if we are professional, even if we are working, all the time we are just familiar with or talking about the vocabulary related to our field only, like
Yes.
being in teaching. Again, it is restricted to your subject. You
Right.
did MBA, you have done MBA, and you are doing something in marketing.
Right.
So again, your vocabulary was confined to the discourse
Yeah.
of your marketing only.
Right,
So I
right.
understand it very well. Yes. So Preeti, then how this thing, though I understand that you realized at some point in life English is very important,
Yes.
because might be you are facing problem while talking to your clients in this language, because it's something we always fumble. If we are in this scenario, we fumble for the words. It's
Yes.
something very common. It happens to everyone. But you were already in the field, okay? I think if you could have continued with your job, slowly and gradually you might have come up to that level,
Right.
isn't it?
Yes.
But then you took a sabbatical for the sake of your kids. Now you're working on communication skills. Do you want to go back to the same marketing field, or now after excelling your command in English, you can do something else also in your life?
Ma'am, I would say I don't want to go again to outside for the work. So I just think about to start something else by the home, like to giving the classes. I'm also running a franchisee of Angel One. Have you heard that Angel One franchisee? It's a sub-brokership.
Actually, I went through that icon on your
Yeah.
WhatsApp,
Yes.
like DP,
Right,
as a DP.
right.
Yes.
So
What is it?
It's a angel one sub brokership. That is the, like, if you want to invest in any stock market, mutual fund, so that time you have to open the demat account, like a saving account. Like who want to open the,
Yeah,
why
I
we
know
are
demat
opening.
account.
Yeah, so that is the platform. So whatever the like they are giving the franchisee to anyone else. So I just apply. I just got the franchisee. Then I also running before this language. I also running this franchisee from 9 months, but I am not quite satisfied with that because I'm also working by the home. There is no environment. I am also having kids, so there is so much responsibility of that. So I was thinking I have to quit first and I have to up skills first. Then I was thinking what I have to take a next step for my journey as a career. Like, and I don't want to go in any office for doing the job. Yeah, if I get a great opportunity by the home, so definitely I will adopt that. Otherwise, I just start a own business like that. So that is why nowadays I'm upskilling myself.
This franchising you're talking about, is it a profitable one?
Yes, yes, it's a profitable one. In that, what thing is happen, ma'am? We have to make the client. So whoever the trading, whoever doing the trading in the stock market, so whatever the brokerage part is making by them, so that 20%, sorry, 50 or 70% we are getting all the broker. Like who are the broker? So we are getting the 70% of the brokerage part. Like, but depend on the client how much they are trading in their account. So that way, like, I got the earning from that, and whatever the accounts we are opening to them, and that way I also earn from that. But I'm not quite satisfied because there is the variable earning, I would say. Like if you have a good client, ample amount of client, they are doing the trading, then you are getting the profit. Instead of that, you are not getting the good profit. So it's not a stable earning, I would say. Like it's a variable earning. So when you have client, then they are doing the trading, then you are getting the earning. Otherwise, you are not getting the earning. So that is why, like, I quit that.
I don't know much about this market, but I know demat account is opened when you are to do some trading, something
Yes,
related
yes.
to share market. I
Yes,
guess.
yes, yes, yes.
And you deal with opening the account, and no, I think not. You can't earn from opening the account if
No, ma'am. I
the
earned.
client.
Sorry for it. Sorry for interrupt you. I earned by opening the account also. Like whenever I open the account with someone else, so I have there is the policy actually. I would say the policy of that. So like if you are opening the account like 40 accounts example. So in that account, if you are making a brokerage part, average brokerage will be the 500 or 200 like that. Average means if we are opening the 40 account, and per account will be the 200 brokerage. And if you total brokerage will be the 8,000 almost, right? 8,000 200 per account, that's why. So 8,000 if you make the brokerage, then 50% you are already getting the profit, and whoever the trading in their account, so we are getting the rest of the profit also. So that way I calculate the amount
trading
from
also.
there. Yes, yes, yes. So that way I am getting the
It's
profit from
something
there.
complicated thing.
Yeah. Yes.
Right, right. So, anything on your mind or in your mind or at the back of your mind you want to talk about?
Yes, yes. So, ma'am, I would like to ask, like, I think you are in a profession by a teacher, right? As a professor.
I have been into teaching.
Okay. So, I would say, like, what would you think about the financial freedom is important for every women's or like every female person? If they have a financial freedom, then they can live life better. And so, what would you say about that?
I think it is a topic which is pretty most important, crucial one, but it is least discussed, I
Yeah.
would say.
Yes.
And it's not something which is related to the man or women out there. It is related to everyone, even to the kids.
Right.
Long back, I don't know whether I was talking to someone or I came across that kind of moment in my life where we discussed, I discussed it on some platform, that you see this how to manage the finances. You know, it is something
Right.
which is taught in the schools or colleges only to the students who opt for commerce.
Yes.
Okay, medical student, they just study related to medical and arts according to that. These kinds of subjects like these topics, how to manage the finances, how to do the savings. It is a kind of thing which is related to everyone,
Right.
but it is not taught in the schools and colleges except the commerce. I'm not talking about the commerce graduates or commerce students. Like if I'm someone from the science background, someone could be from the arts background, it's never told. And the irony of the situation is not even the parents. They teach this thing, that how to manage the funds and what is the exact meaning of the financial freedom. It is
Right.
something which should be taught to the kids from the beginning. Like they should be given some money, then they should be made to realize what is the importance of this money, how to spend and how to save it. Now I'm getting back to your question, because financial freedom is something else.
Right.
But from your question, that finances came to my mind, and that's why I wish to share that. I brought it on the board right now. Financial freedom is very important. It's the kind of our social setup that it is the responsibility of the man. We consider it is the responsibility of the man to go out and earn the bread and butter. Okay?
Right.
And whatever strata of society you are in, like we take the families which are well-off families and wives, and they are not going to earn, but they're getting hefty amount as a share from their husbands. There is no
Right.
such issue. But I feel whether it is needed or it is not needed, when you earn something at your own, when you are self-reliant, it makes you confident.
Right.
So that freedom is altogether different from taking something from the pocket of the husband, maybe directly or indirectly.
Yeah.
It's not giving you that kind of confidence as compared to when you go and earn the money. So
Absolutely
financial
correct.
freedom is very important.
You are absolutely correct, because I have a good experience of that. Like if you are earning something by your own, that happiness is different. When you are getting the money from your husband and by your spouse or by your family members, so that happiness is different, because when you are earning by yourself, so you have a right of this money. Like you can manage. If you want to invest, you can invest. If you want to expenses also. So you don't need to ask with anyone else, like we have to invest or we have to expense or not. So that kind of financial freedom we are getting. And we are talking about to the other thing, like we are getting the indirectly payment from the husband. So that thing, like it's make a happiness, like we have hide some money from our husband, but that not give the good enough the happiness, because happiness comes by the like our own money. I think whoever earn the own money, they understand better what is the experience of that financial freedom, because that makes the peace, confidence and calmness also by the own rely on your own money.
Yes, of course, I agree with you, Preeti, because using husband's money, there's nothing bad with it, and I think
Yeah.
that is a fundamental right of
Yes.
every woman out there.
Right.
That gives you happiness, that is okay. You might go to the market and purchase all swanky things, and you can doll up yourself with all fancy dresses. That is altogether different thing. But when you do something at your own, when you earn, whether you earn while sitting in the comfort of your home, doing something, giving some classes to the students or doing some business, online business, or you go out, that enhances your personality.
Right.
That boosts up your confidence. So that is altogether different thing. Then you achieve more when you do it at your own, because then you value that money also, and then you can do a good kind of budgeting also.
Right.
I think, because when you earn only, then you value the money. If you don't
Yes.
earn, you can't make out that how to spend it,
Right.
and how much to spend it, and where to spend it.
Yes, you are absolutely correct, because whenever you earn, then you understand the what is the value of the money and how to invest and how to save the money also. And now I would like to ask one more question also. What do you think, we have to save our money at the bank, in the bank, or we have to invest the money so for growing the money? So what would you think about, like you are saving the money or you are just investing the money?
Investing mean you're talking about some share market, mutual
Not
funds,
no,
etc. kind
no,
of
no,
thing you are-
ma'am. It's investing. It means like you can invest FD. It means like if you have a fund like
Properties.
anything else. So what is your opinion about that?
No, I simply know, I would say, whatever way you are comfortable in and you are aware of, you should be
Yes.
aware of all the paraphernalia related to that. If somebody asks me, why don't you invest in the share market? I know nothing, it's not my cup of tea.
Right.
And if I know nothing, so I think it's not advisable for me. But yes,
Absolutely.
I align with you. This saving is very important in life. Because when I grew up, I remember my mom used to say, she was a government school teacher. I hail from a humble family. She made us learn this, that whatever you earn, whatever you have, save some part of your that
Right.
saving in some form. She brought me into banking. She was too much into banking, though at this very moment I am not that familiar with banking. Banking in the sense like I do, yes, I do investment. I keep my money either in the form of FDs or whatever, but yes, definitely save some money.
Yes.
And everyone should do it. Just keep one thing in your mind, that store it, save it for your rainy days.
Right. Because when we are saving, so it's for our future, because we don't know what thing is happen in future. So for that, it's not a
Not
investment.
only
Yeah, like you have to save in a somewhere, like in FDs and RD. So many ways is there. So we have to try to save. in it.
whatever you
Yes.
do, you should be aware of that thing
Yes.
also.
Yes.
As I told you that I don't know still, till date I don't know much about the banking, but I simply know, okay, I can invest in the FDs. I should have some money in the banks. So whenever I have some money, I always try to convert that money into the form, bring it into the form of FDs. And I have seen when your kids, they grow up, at that moment you realize when you are to spend that money, you need hefty amount to pay their fee, when they
Right.
are to go out somewhere, when you send them for higher education, when their fee structure, that becomes it is made up of a big chunk of your savings. So at that
Right.
time you realize that because you are having some money in the bank, and at that time you don't feel it as a burden
Right.
on your
Absolutely.
shoulders or on your mind.
Yes, absolutely correct.
Do you
So-
also do this kind of
Yes.
saving, or you invest your money into buying some property, or buying gold, or buying some kind of thing?
So, ma'am, actually, I would say about me, so I invest in diversified, not in one basket. Because if you are investing not a one basket, so your money will be not growing. Like we can talk about, I know the market how to grow, and I have a knowledge of that. So that is why I invest some money of the stocks. Some money is the RD, some money is the SIP. So that way I just make my diversified portfolio. So that way in future, if I my kids will be grown up, then they have need to go for the higher education. So I don't think about kind of burden, because we don't know what thing is happen in future. So we have to be prepared for the future.
True.
So that way I'm also doing the diversified portfolio, not a one single basket. I am not putting my money.
Because this is your cup of tea, you are familiar with it.
Yes,
Because if
that is
some
that.
banker comes to me, and if banker guides me, okay, Dr. Kavalit, you make this investment in the mutual funds, I would believe in his words. And because
Right.
I don't know, but I will
That is
assume
fine.
that this person who has come to me, definitely he may not be he might be giving me the proper guidance.
Right.
That thing I also do, Preeti. Sometimes I invest in SIP or in mutual funds or in FDs. I am familiar with these quite a few terms only.
Right, that
But
is
yes,
right.
I agree with you. Don't keep all the eggs in one basket.
Right, because if you are putting your money in the one basket, then your money is not growing in a right way, proper way. What is the, because so for that I think who are investing their money, so they have to get the knowledge first, then they have to go another options also. Otherwise they have to go for the FD and RD, that is, and SIP is also the safe option for investing the money.
True. Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then, Preeti, just let me know, how do you spend your day? What do you do the whole day? Because you stay at home.
Okay. Nowadays, actually, I'm having 2 kids, so nowadays their holidays is going on, and nowadays I try to have a conversation
Vacations
at
in the
least
school?
1 or 2. Yeah, vacations is going on nowadays. Both kids are at home. Then now they are watching my mobile, so that is why I'm having session with you. But apart from that, whenever I got the free time, so I'm having 2 sessions. And I also start working. Actually, I'm also the SBI agent like that. So I'm doing like multitasking like that. So I'm doing house chores and rest of the time I'm reading also. But like initial 2 months, I just indulge myself for learning this language. So I whole day I listening a lot, try to speaking more. So that way, like I learn this language. So now I'm able to speak with you. Otherwise, I'm not able to speak with you here.
Mm.
So that is the great
And
chance
what do
for
you,
me. Like yes, yeah, ma'am. Go ahead.
what kind of contents you listen?
Nowadays, like initially when I start to learn this language, that time I listen a conversational video. So I go through that. Like I also heard like your videos also. So I go through that and listen. So whatever the new words coming there, so I try to jot it down and I try to use that word in my communications. Initially 2 or 3 months, I just do it in a conscious way, like indulge myself. I immerse myself in this language. But now, like I am not into that like too much listening. So in morning time, I try to listen, and in evening time, I try to read some books also, like 2 to 3 pages. And afternoon, I am having 1 or 2 sessions, and I also doing start. I also thinking to start working again. So I'm finding the ways. Nowadays, I'm also giving the classes online, like spoken classes. So that is the opportunity for me, I would say, because by this language, I got the online classes also. So that is way like I'm spending my days.
Okay, you have started giving the coaching to the students, online coaching
Yes,
for
yes,
spoken
yes,
English.
yes. For spoken English, ma'am. So when I
Okay,
start,
and
so like how I start that way, like I also try to teach them.
sorry, I couldn't hear you.
How I start to learn this language within a 3 months. So that way I try to teach them. They can also start to speaking their journey.
Mm-hmm. And how many students are enrolled with you at the moment?
Two students actually. Nowadays I didn't promote my classes, but yeah, I was thinking I have to be promoted. If it will be going good, then I will be go jump in this working like that.
In arena. Okay, and it is
Yeah.
these classes are one to one.
No, ma'am. Actually, two students will be there. Then I will start to take the classes. So I'm
You
not
have Zoom classes.
taking, yeah, Zoom classes. So in that Google Meet or Zoom Meet, that way I'm giving the classes to them. But actually,
That's
people
great.
are not making the payment of that much amount. So I think okay, we have to take a group classes, because that is the great way to getting the affordable amount also, because we are bound to for 1 hour or for 1 month. So that is why I was thinking that is not my cup of tea, one-on-one session, because people are not affordable that amount. So I was thinking like I have to start to the group classes. But now I didn't promote it, but I was thinking to promote it of my classes also in future.
So Preeti, that way you stay, you can say the whole day flies like anything, because you are wearing so
Yeah.
many hats. You are indulged
Yes.
into so many things, and every
Yes.
core demands some time. Your kids are at demanding age. You might be, your husband also needs your attention. Then you are to groom yourself. You are to look after
Yes.
your household chores. You are in, I think I could hear it properly. You are SPI, related to SPI agent, something you use this
SBI
word.
agent, SBI,
Yeah.
SBI agent.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And you're into so many things.
Yeah.
And at the same time, you could spare to have the 2-3 sessions in a day also.
Yeah, I will try to, because I want to be a fluent of this language. Because whenever I face to other one like who have a advanced speaker, that time I'm fumbling. So I was thinking now I have to be continue the sessions. Before that I don't think about to having a session. But last 2 days when I have a session with 2 persons, so they are very good communicator. They are using the very advanced level words. So that time I was fumbling how to speak, and like they are very good speakers. So that time I was thinking now I have to at least 2 sessions I have to be here on the live, so that way like I can be a fluent, and I understand where I am belonging.
It's a matter of time. Actually, two things are important. One thing is what is your priority, at what level you see yourself after some span of time. Another thing is what is your job requirement. Job in maybe whatever you are into something of your own, or you want to step out. Another thing is more you invest, more you gain. the quicker you become fluent. So
Right.
they are directly proportional to each other.
Yeah, right. Because they are giving too much time of this language, so that is why they are a very good speaker. But I have given only 3 to 4 months, so how can I assume that like I can be stand like them? That is why.
And moreover, Preeti, thing is, some people this is their full-time job. They are totally
Yeah.
into it. They are not doing anything else also. Because
Yeah.
this is from where they earn their bread and butter. Another, of course, when you start speaking, when you start learning, the moment you feel you have become fluent, it gives you immense happiness and content also, makes you content also. So that
Yeah.
is another outcome of learning this language.
Yes.
That is great thing. Yes.
Thank you so
So
much, so
anything
ma'am.
else?
Yeah. Nothing else.
I think
Actually, I would. Yes.
I,
Yes.
I think time is running, and we are touching the maximum Zoom limit of 40 minutes.
Right.
So it was
Yes.
really lovely talking to you. Though I
Thank you,
stay
ma'am.
busy the whole day, I just reached home just a couple of minutes ago before like I connected with you. But because my timings are also not sure when I
Okay.
would be like could have spare time, because I do something of my own and it's highly demanding. So the moment I came across like you put up the request at my phone, then I thought, why not to do it today only? About
Yeah.
tomorrow again, it's not certain in my case. So why not to get it done? So it was lovely talking to you, Preeti. So hope to
Thank
connect
you
with
so
you
much.
soon. If
Yes.
there is
Yes.
anything
Thank you.
on your mind or in your mind, you can talk about.
No, ma'am, I don't have anything. Actually, I am having a one session with you, so that is why I just text to you like, ma'am, please connect to me so that I can have a one session. So I want to be collaborate with your channel also. That is why I was also thinking like I have to be one session with you, as well as like I can learn this language also by that. That is why. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful
Thank you,
opportunity,
Preeti.
ma'am. Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Feelings
you.
are always mutual. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
The
Okay, bye.
recording has stopped.